Hey guys, Neha this side. Welcome back to my channel EIC Effective IELTS Classes. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you some tricks and tips by which I managed to score 8.5 in listening, that too in my very first attempt. Trust me guys, this is the easiest module in IELTS. In this you can even score 9 bands by some practice and following some tricks. I'll also share one foolproof strategy, so watch the video till end, and I assure you if you watch the video till end, your band scores in listening will definitely improve. So let's start with our video. And wait guys, this is just the listening tips. I will soon upload the reading tips as well. So if you don't want to miss that video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So the tip number 1 is improve your listening skills, not your band score. Solving more and more tests will only make you familiar with test but not with the general listening skills. There are various ways to improve it, such as by watching some Hollywood movies with subtitles, listening to English news, listening podcasts, etc. If I talk about myself, I used to listen to English songs. Nobody is gonna give you that tip, but I am telling only what I did. Firstly, I used to listen to the same song twice or thrice without any lyrics and try to understand by my own. Then I listen it with lyrics. By this way I came to know about the pronunciations, intonations and accents. You can follow the same process in any of the mentioned methods. I mean listening to anything with help of subtitles and lyrics. When you start doing it this way, believe me, your listening skills will definitely improve. For me, it worked and helped me a lot. The next tip is concentration. If you are doing listening, then you are supposed to do listening only. Don't wander in any other world, don't think anything other than your listening test, or don't play with your pencils, erasers or sharpeners. You will hear audio only once, so your all attention should be in your test. I remember one of my students, while attempting listening test in the class, he always used to play with his sharpener, even though he was not very bad in listening, but he could have scored better if he focused only on listening test. So don't do these things during practice as well as your final exam. So stay focused. Let's move towards our next tip. So tip number 3 is never stuck on the previous question. If you do so, you are gonna spoil your entire listening. How? Suppose you missed question number 3 or even only a part of that question and start thinking about that, then you are more likely to end up losing answers of multiple questions. Instead, just move towards the next question and you can think of that answer at the last, as you get 30 seconds after each section to check your answer. Another thing I would say is to check your spellings. To be honest, I had no problem with my spellings part. If you are good at this, then there isn't any problem. But if you lack with this quality, practice for your spellings. Look, the answers of IELTS listening always repeat. So whenever you misspell any word, write it 5 times. It will stay in your mind provided that you write it with full concentration. After that, I would say that make sure that you are transferring your answers correctly. I will explain you it with example. There is another guy in my class, he is good in listening. Where he lagged in this part is transferring misspelled answers. He always transfers answers in jiffy and do at least 2 to 3 mistakes, and you guys can imagine how much difference it can make in the scores and eventually your band score. So while copying your answers to answer sheet, do it carefully and also do proofreading. Next tip is always try to predict answers of questions. You always get some time to read questions in every part. Read questions carefully and check what type of answer is required there. If you know the type of answer, then you will be more specific about finding the answers. For example, if you predicted that the answer is date, then your all attention will be towards date. So always try to focus answers. One important thing is never get tricked while writing spellings of names, emails or telephone numbers. Most of the time they try to trick you by repeating. Consider the case of a name. Suppose they are giving name details of any person. Suppose the name is Alan. Most of the time they speak it in this way. It's Alan. A-L-L-E-N. Oh sorry, it's E-L-L-E-N. So don't get confused at that time, just listen carefully. Now I will share one strategy with you that how you can improve your listening skills with the help of practice tests. Take one full listening test. I will post the link of listening tests in the description box. You can check it out from there. Solve one full test, write your answers but do not check your answers. Then take 5 minutes break and follow the process for 2 more times. It means you have to do the same listening test 3 times with 5-minute break in between. Then check your answers in all the 3 attempts. Check your mistakes and see where and what mistakes you did in your first exam attempt and whether the same mistakes got repeated in the second and third time. Believe me or not, if you follow this for 10 days, then you will notice a dramatic rise in your band score on the 11th day. So I'll end up today's session here. I hope it will help you in improving your band scores. If you liked the video, press the like button, comment your feedback and share it with your friends so that they can also take benefit from that video. I'll soon come with reading tips, so stay tuned. Till then, take care. See ya.